Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be fixing this nail, you guys. Yes, it broke. And of course the nail that had the most detail decided to pop off. So we're going to fix it today. I do my own nails for those of you who are not aware. And I'm not a professional nail tech. I don't have any experience doing nails. I just do my own. Anyways guys, this glue I love using. I get it from Amazon. I'm gonna leave it in the description box for you guys if you want to purchase it. And these nail tips are amazing. They're super thick. I get all of these from AliExpress and they're about $5 Canadian. But you guys can see right here is where the nail split. It kind of split really high up on my nail. When I built the nail, I didn't build that apex strong enough, so it just kind of popped off. So we're gonna try to fix this and remove all the ugly stuff from previous nail that I had on there. Obviously my nails are not in the best shape, you guys. I do them myself and I do them pretty regularly because I always like to change my nails. So yeah, the actual nail itself is not that cute, but that doesn't matter because we're gonna cover it up. We're gonna make her look gorgeous. I really like these nail tips. They're super long. They're pretty much already shaped. I was looking forever for some long tips that were C-curved, that were strong, that was, already shaped, and I found some on, some websites and stuff, but those are really expensive. I knew I could find it on AliExpress, and I did, you guys. I recommend these nail tips. They're so strong and they're shaped perfectly. Like, as you guys can see, very little shaping is required for this nail. So right now I'm going to be using the dehydrator. You can use this one from Amazon. It's really good. I definitely recommend it, but I'm all out, so I'm going to be using the other one. But I don't like using primer on gel nails, so that's just my preference. I'm not going to use any primer, but I'm using the pH bonder, I think it's called. Is it by Gelish? I don't remember. I'll leave it in the description box. And I'm using the IBD clear gel. If you guys have seen this one, it's the same thing. It's just in a bigger bottle. It doesn't say like builder gel on it, but it is. It's the exact same consistency, you guys, and you can get way more for your money. So if you see this on Amazon, get this one instead because it's gonna last you so much longer. So yeah, I'm just refilling it, and the brush that I use is actually a brush that I got from Michael's, and it's not an actual nail brush, but it's a pretty firm bristle brush, and that's what I would recommend when using gel. Now we are applying the gel, and I'm just gonna apply a thin layer right now. Just keep it simple, you guys. As far as like the curing of the nail, you want to go in and out for 3 seconds because the light does get really hot, and I have a pretty high wattage lamp, so this burns. If you know anything about gel, like if you leave your nail in there for more than 3 seconds, it's literally gonna feel like it's on fire. So anyways guys, now I am building up the shape. It's pretty simple. It doesn't take much work. I've been doing this for a really long time. I find gel much easier to work with compared to acrylic. So when I'm just trying to hurry and rush, I do it with gel. And most of the time, 90% of the time. Sometimes I do use acrylic, but girl, I ain't got the time nor the patience to be doing acrylic for maybe like, 6 hours, because that's how long it'll take me to do a perfect set with acrylic myself, both hands. So anyways, I cured the first 2 layers, and it doesn't take much time, and usually like 10 seconds, and I can go in and keep building up that shape. So I'll cure it for about 10 seconds and then build up until I'm happy with it. And then the final cure, I'll leave it for about 30 to 60 seconds under the lamp. And then yeah, we're gonna start filing. So you always want to use an alcoholic pad or something to clean off that tacky layer. And now she is hard. So now she's ready for shaping. And like I said, it's not going to take much because the nail tips already come pretty shaped. But of course, once you put gel, it does tend to build it up quite a bit, like on the sides and also on the top. Just need to go in and do some minor shaping. I'm not using my drill, you guys, because I want to keep this very simple for you. If this is something that you want to try at home, you can definitely achieve it with just a hand file. As you see here, I'm just going to keep filing away. And actually, I didn't take off enough of the gel on the surface, so I did go back in the future. I think after I applied one coat, I realized that it was still too thick, so I went and filed away that coat, and then I also went back and filed some more of the nail off. Because we're going to be applying jewels to this nail, I don't want it to be like super bulky. So keep that in mind. If you're applying jewels to one of your nails, you can make that nail a little bit thinner because it is going to look very chunky in the end. So you have to apply the glue, you have to apply the top coat, all of that, right? And also the gems. This gel polish set I got from Amazon. I really like them. The colors are really good, and it comes with your base coat, your top coat, your matte coat, every kind of coat you need, and it has a lot of different colors. It is a bit pricey, but you get about 25 different colors, I think. I'll leave that also in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out. I'm just using a nudish kind of clear jelly color for that nail because I want it to be kind of opaque. I'm going to be securing my gems now. You guys are almost at the end. So I'm going to be using this builder gel, the same gel that I used to form the nail. I don't have gem glue right now, but I think it's similar. And yeah, I just got these gems from AliExpress, this box that is right in the middle. I'll leave it in the description box. I think I paid about $40 Canadian for this entire box. They're pretty blingy, like they do shine a lot. It's not glass, but they hold up pretty well too, and I'm pretty rough on my nails. And it's been a few days now and I still have them all intact. None of them have fallen off, so that's good. And I love it because it does come with a lot of different shapes and like patterns and shapes that I like, but I also go in with the box that I collected and kind of built my own. On the right there, it's just some random pieces that I collected over some time. And yeah, I'm just mixing and matching, creating my pattern to match the other nail. And I'm doing this all with the builder gel being wet. And then I'm going to go in and cure it for about 30 seconds. If you want to see me do an actual set, I do have some footage of me doing a full set, but I didn't like my camera angle, so I might redo when I do my nails the next time, because this is actually a fill. I didn't build the entire nail. I filled it from the last time, the pink nail set that I had. So if you want to see me do an entire nail set from start to finish, let me know in the comment section. And of course it's going to be gel because I don't have time to do acrylic right now. I hope you guys found this video entertaining. If you did enjoy watching this, let me know in the comment section. And also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you want to see more content like this. I gotta go, guys. I'll catch you later in another video. Enjoy the rest of this video. Peace.